Now, it's super simple to remove these taillights. You've basically got two bolts. Really, not even bolts, it's screws with the ends cut off. Got one up top and one down below. Now when you go to take this off, you're going to lift out like this. You've got tabs on this side that hook in. You just got to work them loose. And that's how you get them off. Pretty simple. Now to reinstall your headlights, your tail lights. Now the first thing you do is you got to get these tabs lined up and you push them in. You know, they just hold it, so to speak, in there. And that's how you get that in. Now to reinstall your factory tail lights, you just put these screws in. And it's going to feel a little wonky. Yours might be straighter. My bed and everything just kind of beat up on this truck, so nothing's really, truly straight. Alright, but that's how you uninstall and install your taillights. Now, changing bulbs on these are super easy, and I'm going to show you how you do it. Alright, so you got this one. You push down on this tab right here. See this tab? There's a tab right there. You got to push down on that. And that's how you get it back on and off. So it's pretty simple. Pull out the bulb like this, and this one's pretty burned out on my truck as it is. Then you plug it in here, and that's how you. Now you should never touch bulbs with bare hands because the greases in your finger will cause it to make hot spots and burn out quicker. So what you do, get this bulb connect grease, which really does help. And you put it here, on there, and in there, and it keeps it from sticking and tearing up, but also keeps moisture out, which might be useful. Alright, well, I hope this video on removing your taillights and reinstalling bulbs is useful, and you have a good one. Goodbye. I hope you enjoyed this video on how to change your taillight bulbs and remove your taillights. I hope you find it useful. And as always, Z66, your underpaid, undershirt, underpaid mechanic. Please like, subscribe, comment below, and be sure to tell your mama, your grandmother, your doctors, and everyone, because I need you. Thank you. You have a good one. Bye.